Hashtag how to add and customize interactive health and wellness trackers. Scene asterisk a person standing in front of a computer screen, showing a health and wellness tracker app. Monologue asterisk. Hey everyone, tired of boring old health trackers? Let's spice things up with interactive features. First, ditch the generic charts and graphs. Replace them with fun, animated avatars that react to your progress. Imagine a tiny, pixelated you doing a victory dance when you hit your step goal. Next, level up your reminders. Instead of bland notifications, get motivational quotes or funny challenges to keep you on track. Who wouldn't want to do an extra 10 squats for a chance to unlock a hilarious cat meme? And don't forget about rewards. Set up a system where you earn points for healthy habits, then redeem them for real-world treats. Think movie tickets, a new workout outfit, or even a guilt-free pizza night. By adding these interactive elements, you'll transform your health tracker from a chore into a fun, engaging experience. So ditch the dull and embrace the interactive. Your body and mind will thank you for it. End scene.